For assignment 7, you'll be researching the committee structure. Congress is made up of many, many committees, so you need to research one House committee, one Senate committee, and that at least one of them, that at least one of your team members is on. So it must be a committee that your team member serves on. So first, you're going to provide a short description of the committee, how many members, what are the subcommittees, when do they meet, who is the chair. And then part 2, what are they working on? What are the kinds of bills that they're discussing? What have they passed? What have they voted down? Have they held hearings? And is there any important subcommittee activity? This is 2 pages worth with the emphasis on part 2, right? Most bills die in committee. So bills get introduced and then they go straight to committees and subcommittees, and they have a lot of power to either pass, kill, or amend each bill. So what is it that they're working on? So once again, the 113th Congress Wikipedia page, there's a link at the top to committees, which will bring you down here. And it will list as well who are the committee members, so you'll get an idea. I see my senator, Barbara Boxer. They're under Environment and Public Works, and then it even lists the subcommittees as well. So that's helpful. You could look at the Wikipedia page, but I'm going to go right to senate.gov, and then house.gov has the same thing, and there's a committees list. And I know she is on the Environment and Public Works Committee. I click on that link, and it will take me to that committee's web page. And this appears to be a gold mine of all the information I need for this assignment, right? It tells me who are the leaders, and and majority, minority, that means as far as Democrat, Republican go, because these are bipartisan committees. It talks about the schedule, the upcoming events, what are some things that they're working on, as well as legislation, subcommittees, and so on. So these are really going to help you find what you need. It's going to be a little bit harder to find out from those websites what specific bills they're currently considering and working on. So if you go to congress.gov and click on committees, no, thank you, and you go to that particular committee, it will again tell you the laws recently considered. It will tell you more about the committee proceedings, and then it even gives you a list of things that have gone through this committee and what has happened. So this one has just been introduced. So these are bills that they would currently be considering. And then you can even see if they have passed and what they've killed. So this will help you to find specific bills that they are considering right now. And then finally, if you're still wondering, well, what is really important? And the sites have listed just a bunch of bills. What is really important? You can also try, Googling the name of the committee, and then it already shows up news, but I would choose this option here under Google, and what is news relating specifically to that committee. So that will help you to understand, well, if journalists are picking up on it and noticing what's happening there, then it must be something of more importance.